Hello, good morning, dear students. We are in the same chapter, that is naming angles. So, students, today I have brought another question which is very important. So, students, let's see the question. Mark 3 points A, B, C which are not in a line. Draw angle ABC. Name the vertex and the two arms of the angle so formed. So, students, let's read the very first sentence. Mark 3 points A, B, C which are not in a line. So, students, you have to mark 3 points in such a way that those 3 points must not lies in a line. So, विद्यार्थीहरू हजुरहरूले तीनवटा पोइन्ट मार्क गर्न छ एबीसी र त्यो तीनवटा पोइन्ट लाइनमा हुनु भएन. दे मस्ट नट लाइज इन अ लाइन भनेको अर्थ यसरी हामीले पोइन्ट ड्र गर्नु भएन, मार्क गर्नु भएन, किनकि यिनीहरू यसरी लाइनमा पर्ने हुन्छ. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, we are not supposed to draw the points on the line like this. Instead, we have to draw the points randomly. So विद्यार्थीहरू हामीले यहाँ point randomly draw गर्छौँ. So students, let's see first point, second point, third point in this way. So students, here I have drawn 3 points randomly, 1, 2, 3. Now students, according to the question, we have to name them as A, B and C. Now let's name point A, point B, point C. Now students, let's read the question further. Now our next step is to draw angle ABC. Now we have to draw angle ABC. So students, while drawing angle, you have to be very careful with vertex. So if you see the letter in middle, there is B. B is the letter which is in the middle. So students, B is the letter which is in the middle. The letter in the middle indicates vertex. So students, here B is your vertex. While drawing angle ABC, B should be your vertex. So students, vertex is the meeting point of two arms. As we all know, vertex is the meeting point of two arms. So therefore, we have to extend the line from A towards B and from C towards B, and then only we will get B as vertex. So विद्यार्थीहरू, हामीलाई यदि B vertex पाउनु छ भने हामीले A देखि र C देखि B सम्म लाइन एक्सटेन्ड गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, तान्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So let's do from A. So students, I have drawn one line from A up to B. Now I will draw from C up to B. So students, I have drawn line from A up to B and C up to B. So students, in this way we can see B is your vertex. At point B, angle has been formed. So students, the name of this angle is angle ABC, or you can write it as angle CCBA. Angle CBA. Now students, let's read the question further. Name the vertex and the two arms of the angle so formed. So students, now here you have to write the vertex and the two arms. हजुरहरूलाई यसमा vertex र arms पनि लेख्न भनेको छ. So let's write vertex. So students, as we all know, vertex is the meeting point of the two arms. Here we can see AB and CB are the two arms which have met at point B. So B is your vertex. Vertex is your B. Now let's write two arms. Two arms is your AB and BC or CB. AB and BC is your two arms. AB and BC. AB 1, BC 2. So students, in this way we have solved these questions. Now hope you have understood very well. I would like to give you one more homework similar to this. Hope you will complete it at home. So students, let me first omit the questions on the board. So students, here is your question. Mark 3 points PQR which are not in a line. Draw angle PQR. Name the vertex and the two arms of the angle so formed. So students, question is similar to the question which we did just before. Only the difference is there was ABC and here is PQR. The difference is only ABC and PQR. There was angle ABC, now here it is angle PQR. So students, you can solve in the similar way. Hope you will do at home. So students, in the next class we will do another question. We will solve another questions related to this chapter. So till then, take care. Thank you so much.